Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 90,000 subscribers. Yeah! Welcome to our FANS Wethu TV. It's the AFCON qualifiers. Bafana 1, Congo 1. I'm joined by Tahua.
How's it, Steve?
Not Tahua.
I'm good, Steve.
Steve.
Okay, Steve. First of all, I would like to start where after the goal, ne? After the goal that we scored, ne? Mukwana scored. We dropped too much after that goal, ne?
In terms of
the momentum of the game, they are taking all of that stuff. I'm not sure. According to my understanding,
yes,
the way I checked Hugo Bruce, I think he was maybe he wanted only 1 point, just a draw. Because remember, a goal away is more than a win.
Yes,
it's not simple to win an away game. Ne?
Yeah.
Why I'm saying this is because second half. If we check second half, we introduced Manqoba.
Yes.
We replaced the attacking players, the likes of Apolis and whatsoever. We replaced Manqoba and Tapelo Morena, and the last substitute was Sibis, which means we have the likes of Mofoke on the bench. Those ones that they can come in and attack and make us win the game.
Yes.
Yeah? That's why I'm saying. Hugo Bruce, the way Nagamonengawana is like strategies are nearly just a point away. Kekana today was not at his best. I think next time, if he's playing like that, next time they must introduce someone like Sesan, because that is a national team. Ne? It's not like a Sundowns what. So we need to put people that they can help the team with. So listen to me. Let me finish. Another thing I will request. We needed Tembazwan. We needed Tembazwan more than Tito Masongan. I know Tito Masongan he can play. He's the best, but Mshishi is the greatest. Ne? He must be proud, Tito, when we compare him to Zwan, because Zwan is the greatest. But we needed Zwan more than Tito. We needed also Foster. His experience, maybe because he's playing overseas. Maybe he could add some value. You know?
Injured by the
and another thing, I know he's injured. Another thing, Stephen, the thing that I wanted to request from Hugo Bruce, it's Saleh, man. He must. Because according to my understanding, if you select players, you select through the national team, you select according to the current performance. Ne?
Yes.
If you check Orlando Pirates is performing because of the players like Saleh.
Yes.
So Saleh, I can't say who must not go to the national team, who must come, but Saleh
must be there.
Because of if you check that game, the likes of Saleh can replace Mokohana, then we could attack the speed of Saleh. Even Rivero at Sundowns, Pirates. I'm not, I don't support Pirates, but Rivero is always saying that Saleh doesn't get tired. We understand. At some point, we needed players like Saleh Khalib. We understand, so that we can go forward. But as I said, or Hugo Bruce today, I can't blame anyone. I can't say something that is bad. But Hugo Bruce today's game, according to my understanding, he wanted a draw. When you are throwing away, it's like an achievement.
Okay. Steve.
No,
Do you agree, No, my guy. Steve, look. Even in an international football, whether you are a defender, midfield, or even a striker, if you make one mistake, we cannot shy or blame to say you have killed us or things like that happened. I was sitting there watching the game, but I can see or no, people are saying Grand Ghana cost us and stuff like that. But they tend to forget that Grand Ghana saved us, even on AFCON. He even took us to the semi-finals of AFCON, if you can remember. No one said, no, Grand Ghana is coming from Sundowns or Chiefs or whatsoever.
Yes.
But now today, because of that silly mistake or whatever that everybody can call it, and they're just saying, no, Grand Kigana is fumbled.
Yes.
But look, this is a national team. When it's a national team, whichever players that are being selected by the coach, irrespective of which team they come from, they have to produce.
That's true.
If I can give you an example, Steve, look at Italy. When they won it, players were coming from Juventus. We come to, again, in Africa, Egypt.
Yes.
When they won it, they were coming from Al Ahly. Spain, when they won it, they come from Barcelona and stuff like that. So why now when these people have proven that you say combination is the only key that can take the team to the next level. Wait, my guy.
There was a combination of Kikana and Mvala. Mvala is not there anymore. Remember at AFCON, Steve, at AFCON, we replaced Tulu with Kikana so that Mvala can pair with Kikana. So Mvala is not there at the national team.
Also, combination of
Okay, let me touch on some 2 seconds. Give me 2 seconds. You check.
We are coming.
Steve, to be honest,
come on, my guy. Guys, let's talk football. Guys, let's talk football.
Yeah, we're going.
Let's talk football. Guys, Sundowns is the best team.
Let's talk about
No. Wait. Sundowns is the best team that they've proven to everyone in the whole world that they've got a good combination. That is why Hugo Bruce, as our national team coach, have selected those players. Now they've won 5-0 the previous game. Today they've drew 1-1. Now they want to come and have all those mountains saying no, but you are supposed to play this Sisani and whatsoever. Guys, if it's not broken, why do you have to fix it?
Today it was broken.
Today,
let's be honest.
From who?
Give me 2 seconds. I will give me 2 seconds. Okay.
From who?
Steve, listen to me now. Listen to me. This is I will give you a chance. This is a national team, ne?
Yeah.
This is a national team. You saw the likes of Veli Motor last game, ne?
Yes.
He made lots of mistakes.
Yes.
The next call up, he was not there.
Yes.
So we are not saying Kikana must not be on the call up. We are saying Hugo Bruce must rectify with the likes of Sasani. If you check Sasani when he's playing, that guy, ne?
Yes.
Anticipation is good.
Yes.
Timing is very good, ne? The combination of Kikana and Totally is not there. Let's put Sasani there and see what's going to happen. Okay, the first goal.
No, my guy.
The referee. I will give you a chance, please. Just give me 1 minute.
Steve, before you can even...
One second.
Okay, 1 second.
Steve, before you can even finish, Steve, you know, combination is the only thing.
No, Peter.
Wait. Steve, in a national team, combination is the only thing that can solve all these problems. Remember, when you pair somebody, let's start with the back four or back three or whatever combination. But if you don't have that person who can marshal the back one, then it's not going to work.
I understand.
Irrespective of saying you are coming from Chiefs, Pirates, but why not put all those people that can build this team? You remember, we start with the goalkeeper. Goalkeeper, he plays number 5.
Yeah.
I'm a goalkeeper, by the way, Bafana.
Yes.
So you marshal the defense. If the defense is marshaled, they guide the midfield. The midfield, if is guided, they can provide balls into the striking force, whereby where we're gonna score the goal. Wait, let me finish. No.
Wait 1 second.
Let me finish. Okay,
Sure. Okay. Question.
Before I ask a question, let me touch on this one. Ne? First thing, Steve, ne? The referee bailed us. Ne? First, I will give you a chance. Just give me 1 minute.
Yes.
Okay. The first goal, that goal that they said is offside, it wasn't an offside, it was a goal. And the mistake, it caused by Kekana, Grand Kekana.
Yeah,
I will give you a chance, please. I will give you a chance.
Now they are very quick. Now
The second goal. The second goal. The second goal.
Last week, they won 5-0. Did they
Listen to me. The second goal. The second goal, ne? Kekana was too casual. Remember, Steve, doesn't matter if we win 10-0 last game. Ne? This is a national team. You understand? This is not a company of a certain person whereby all your child must work on the company.
Hey.
This is a national team. Ne?
Yeah.
You make a mistake, we put you in the bench, or you call someone who can do the job. That person, if he's not doing the job, we don't care about the combination. The combination is at Sundowns, not
how many mistakes
that's
did
not
Ngezani make?
Ngezani is not on the national team.
Wait, before, if you are quick to judge Grand Kekana today, I'm saying how many mistakes did Ngezani make? That of course does. In national team.
He was playing today. No, I'm asking.
My guy, understand me.
No,
I'm saying Ngezana was there for many reasons, for so many games, and of course that's a lot.
How many games did Ngezana
Grand
play?
Kekana,
How
it
many
was
games?
only on the silly mistake that people want to come and cause that halabaloo to say, come on guys. No man. Okay, sharp. You know what? Estivo, I like Chiefs. I like them because they are I like them because they are my worst enemies. But in national team, I like the guy who's called Dudley.
Yeah.
Star.
That guy. My guy.
Cool, calm, and collected.
You know what? That guy is having a good combination with the national team that when you look at the back four or three, if we went to come into pairing, no, he's fitting too much into Sundowns play, Sundowns style. Remember the coach, when he picked up all those players, he can see or no. You know what? We have got our own goalkeeper who can put it to it from the look. Everybody can see it. Whole worldwide. Who's nominated to be the Yashin nominees? Who's that?
No, you can answer.
Williams. Who's that?
I know you can answer. What did you do about Williams?
What did you do?
What did you do? Let me talk.
What did you do?
Okay.
What did
To
you
be
do?
honest,
1 second.
if you can check all of my interviews when Sundowns is playing, when Williams there, I always giving credit to Williams. Williams is the goalkeeper that can start the ball from the back. We had Sipo Chain, we had Veli Mutwa in the national team. We consider. Listen to me. I will give you. No, I'm talking about. No, I'm talking about current things. Ne?
No.
Oh, that one is history.
Listen to me. Veli Mutwa.
That one is history.
Veli Mutwa considered lots of goals. Ne? Careless mistakes. Sipo Chain considered also, but. When Williams came back, he didn't consider even one goal. It was last game when we won 5. Today, you considered only one goal. That's why I'm saying with the goalkeeper, I'm satisfied. I don't have any complaint.
With you saying
any complaint.
My guy, with you saying that, who do you put your vote on?
To
Yashin.
No, obviously I'm a South African now.
All right.
No,
okay, sharp. Stibo. Arbele soba for you. Arbele and trailing what is straightforward. Ne? The cut anyway. Guys, Coach Hugo Bruce, so it or the combination is what matters most. In respect to for Uchago teammates also and stuff like that. There's no one who can say because you have put 7 players from Sundowns, 7 players from Chiefs or Pirates. But if there's a combination and these people are bringing result to the national team, then you have to take it. I don't dispute that one. My guy, I was so disappointed today. People were saying, Grand Kekana after that mistake, they were saying, no man, this guy has to be substituted. I was like, guys, how many mistakes did everybody was given a chance that they did? That can even cost our team.
I'm still going to repeat this.
No. Wait. I gave you a chance. I gave you a chance. Now, Steve. I'm happy with the national team.
Yeah.
Hugo Bruce, thank you very much.
Yeah.
But I still want to say this thing. He mustn't criticize our Sundowns coach for saying that he's not playing Mudau and Mukwena.
Hugo.
So there's a reason behind each and every team. So don't dwell much in that. If you want to select a player, then come and make them to dwell. There's one thing that I like in the South African national team. There's that thing, brotherhood, that Sundowns have brought in them. That they even instilled it into the national team. My guy, I'm telling you, honestly, you know, if you're having a great leader like Themba Moshishi, Zwan, has instilled that thing in the national team. The players are playing to say, you know what, we're gonna play and we're gonna play and we're gonna represent ourselves. Because remember, when you're playing for the national team, it's whereby other teams from overseas and whatever, they can recognize you.
Steve, I just wanted to close it. Ne? We needed a win from this game today. Ne? We needed a win, but unfortunately we didn't get that win. So, but I can't blame the coach. The coach did everything that he can do. As I said, a draw is an achievement, especially when you are playing away. Ne? So, listen to me. I will give you a chance. Especially on an artificial pitch. But let's. I think maybe Hugo Bruce, if he's listening, if you maybe gonna watch this thing, he must rectify. We must not, the players like Saleh, I'm even appealing now. Players like Saleh is doing well at Pirates. You understand? Let's leave the politics and whatsoever alone. As Chiefs, you can see I'm wearing a Chiefs. But let's leave everything alone. Saleh, we must have him in the national team. As I said, remember, we don't have, Stoll is not there, Mbata is not there. The position that Obas is playing supposed to be Mbata or Stoll, but because of the injured, we don't have a choice. Obas must play. We understand.
I understand him. What he's saying, but remember, it's all about combination.
No, combination.
No, Steve, it's all about combination, my guy. Hence, I once mentioned to you, if
I'm happy with Tito in this combination. No,
he can't. No, he's not there. He's not gay. No, come on, Tito. Pirates fans, because of they are saying Tito this and that. But okay, let's talk about what do you do as a player. Let's talk about what do you do as a player. You are given an opportunity to represent the country. Passes, deliveries, how you hold the ball, and how you distribute at the end of the day. Mshishi is top class.
Tito is.
No, he's still coming. He's still coming. He's still coming.
Police, also in police, we need you in the children next January. We need you. Bob Steak, if you are watching this video, please, we beg you. January window period, bring police. You must break the bank. Bring a police to Nigeria, please.
So what about the other words? What about the other words? Now, okay, now, Steve, you're not going to Luca Ribeiro. You're not going to Luca Ribeiro. Luca Ribeiro.
My God.